Hey guys, having a power steering issue. Not sure if you guys can help me or not, but I want to give you a basic overview of the system. What I have here is I have a hydro boost system right there, as you can see, and sagging up power steering pump. And you know, I'm not even sure if that's the original. I mean, this is a 1966 Bronco, so I don't think that's the original. I got this Bronco over 20 years ago, and I thought the guy told me this thing was out of a Ford Galaxy, but I mean, that kind of looks like a stock Bronco in the pictures I've seen, so don't really know for sure. Then I have like a Tom's Bronco custom steering shaft goes up, and because this is a 66 and I have an automatic in here, I have a steering column out of a 73, and I'm getting this weird noise when I'm turning here. Not when I'm actually, only when I'm under load, because if I lift this thing up on jacks and while the car's running, I'm steering back and forth, I don't hear anything. And you know, at first I thought the noise was in the steering column, but you know, I mean, the more that I look at this, it sounds like it's more like coming from the pump or someplace down in the either in the hydro boost or pump or power steering gear. I'm not sure, but I can definitely it's more when I turn it left than right. But I noticed the hoses, you know, on the hydro boost are making some noise, and this all started happening when I got back from Big Bear off-roading trip. So, God, I'd like to get this fixed because I don't like it. It makes a lot of noise when I'm cruising. So let me start it up here, and I'll show you what's up. One person, so I'm not going to be able to. I don't know if you can hear that. I mean, it totally sounds like it's coming from the column, but really, I think the sound is coming up from the power steering gear. I can't tell for sure, because it doesn't do this when it's on jacks, and it's just kind of like there's no load on it. But check this out, and I'm going to go back over here and try to just get a good view of it. As look at the hoses as it makes that noise. If I can hear that. So when it makes the grumbling noise, I can definitely see it in the line. Pinpoint when I have something else helping me steer, so I don't even know if you can hear me or not, but yeah, it's definitely sounds like it's coming from those hoses somewhere. It feels like it's coming up in the power steering gear through the column. Can't tell for sure, but yeah, let me know if you guys have any ideas, man, because I'm getting ready to take the power steering gear out and maybe the pump too, and have it replaced. I mean, I have a lifetime warranty on the pump. I've replaced it one time before. The front seal went out, and they gave me one for free. So, but it feels like it has pressure. You know, my hydro boost brakes are fine. I don't feel anything wrong in the brakes. I mean, it's a little bit tough to steer. You know, it's not 100%. You know, that's probably just because of the big tires. But I don't know if it's time for rebuild this power steering gear or not. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. So let me put the logo there again. Yeah, it's the hydro boost right there. But alright, cool, let me know.